In this Googlix review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that with a Google loophole, you can get paid $39 over and over again simply by searching on Google. I'm going to be telling you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Googlix, you can go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I'm just going to show you my bonus page. If you decide that this is something that you want to pick up, I've got a bunch of extra bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, exposed $1.9 trillion Google loophole, pays me $39 over and over again for simply searching on Google. No skills or experience, no waiting to get paid, no extra, no BS. Now, he's saying that he's made $175,000 with this, $39 payments over and over again. No, that's guys, that's not going to happen. We know that it's not that easy. There's no like push button systems that are going to pay you $39 over and over again. Now, what this really is it's a software that can help you find leads online. It has a bunch of extra tools in it. I'm going to show you exactly what it is inside of this review here today, so you can know what the difference is between the sales page and what's really behind the scenes here. So if you look here, they've got a bunch of commissions here. I don't know how these commissions have anything to do with this. Who are these people? These all look like completely fake people or just random people. They have nothing to do with this. The fact that they've made every single beta tester made money. They made a total of $175,000. I do not believe that. I don't believe that. I want to see proof. Like Franklin C. This isn't $7,000. We've seen these pictures over and over. I don't believe these at all. This is fake proof. Please, Warrior Plus, can you please change this and not allow this anymore on these sales pages? It's getting out of hand here. So it says click any button, then turn on the pay to search technology, and you're getting paid $39 every time you search on Google. There's nothing like that exists out there. I'm sorry. Like, please stop selling stuff like this. It doesn't exist, and it's just getting out of hand. So these things here, I mean, this is like commissions from doing affiliate marketing, but this has nothing to do with this. I don't know. I'm lost. I'm lost for words with these sales pages and the stuff that people are getting sold these days. But anyways, yeah, if you want to purchase, you get access to the system, the pay to search technology, the training, the bonuses. It's really cheap. You can add on some special little upsell here that's $8. If you are going to purchase, and this is something I always show, move your mouse away and you can get a discount on it. It's a $2 off discount. I always show these discounts. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show the discounts. I make less as an affiliate, but I always want you guys to get the lowest price on this. Okay, so here's what I'm going to show you next. I'm going to show you a video from them explaining what the system is. Then I'm going to come back and show you what's really inside the system. And I'm going to show you the upgrades and how you can get discounts on the OTOs as well.
Wow, check this out. I made a total of $1,127.34 in just a mere 12 hours. And you might think that I had to work hard for this money, right? Wrong. All I had to do to make this money was to open up Google and make a few any expensive fancy pants tools. No domains, no hosting, no autoresponders, no tracking software, no paying for traffic, none of these expensive headaches. As long as we're searching Google, we're getting paid. But you might be wondering, how much will Googlix cost me? Well, it cost us $74,519.87 to develop Googlix. So it would be reasonable to charge $297 monthly. Isn't that a small price for a system that can pay you for searching Google? However, we understand. Maybe you've been burned by other opportunities before, and you've worked hard this year, so for a limited time only, we will be slashing the monthly price to a low one-time investment that's the same price tag as a dinner. And in addition to this all, you'll receive thousands of dollars in fast action bonuses if you pick up a copy of Googlix right now. But you don't have time to wait. If we let everyone use Googlix, it could become saturated, and we'd hate for that to happen. So, to guarantee that it continues working, we can only allow so many customers, which means we will be closing our doors at any moment. If you don't act now, you could forever miss out on getting Googlix. You could miss out on joining the thousands of other Googlix members who are getting paid to use Google right now. Don't want to feel the pain of missing out? Then the best thing for you to do right now is to pick up a copy of Googlix. But it gets even better. If you're one of the first 150 people to buy Googlix, you'll get access to the Googlix Triple Your Cash Diamond Edition. Our average user triples their profits with this. Oh, and there's a 100-day money-back guarantee, so if you feel for any reason this wasn't worth your money, we'll refund every penny back to you. On top of that, we'll throw in $250 as a good measure for wasting your time. So, what are you waiting for? You have no risk. Click the button below to get Googlix and all of the exclusive bonuses at the lowest price right now, today. I'll see you inside.
Okay, so if you do decide to purchase, what's going to happen is in the backends area, you can go here and you can search. It has like JVZoo offers, Warrior Plus, ClickBank. So it's like you can search for affiliate offers. Then it also has a place in here where you can search for keyword leads on Google. I guess that's where they're saying you search and make money, but you're not like going to search and make money. I don't know if you're taking those leads and you're emailing them. I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm a little confused on it, but yeah, you do that, and then you have access to these tools. Like there's an email marketing tool that you have to put in a like a SendGrid or a Mailgun. They've got some other landing page creators in here that you can make with the software. It's got a bunch of extra little tools in it, but there isn't a tool that's going to make you like $39 every time you search for something. I wasn't given access to this product, by the way. I had to find these images on the internet because I don't know if I asked them for access, but I don't know if they want me to have access because I tell you guys the truth about this. I don't know. I don't know why that. I don't think he likes the fact that I show this to you. Maybe he didn't see my message. I don't know. Brendan, if you're watching, go ahead and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, so the OCHIOs here, these are all the different ones that you're going to see. They have the front end offer starts at 19. Of course, I showed you how to get that discount, but there are multiple upgrades. There's 7 of them, and there's a downsell for each one. So if you're going to get any of these upgrades, like this one right here is $297. You can get that for $37 if you, I believe, if you just move your mouse away. I didn't get access to the pages. He didn't answer me. So with these things, if you want to get, like this one's $297, you get a discount down to $37. That's pretty crazy here. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Googlix and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, really false advertising on the sales page. You're not going to make $39 over and over again by searching on Google. The testimonials aren't real. So just be aware that all that marketing there is just not true at all. What do I like about this? I guess for the price point, if any of the tools included as far as like the email marketing software, they've got some page builder and stuff in there. There's a lead search finder. If any of those are something that could help you in your business, then this could be worth the low price of entry. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Googlix, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.